Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have cloves and fenugreek seed. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing hair growth and moisturizing deep condition hair mask using cloves and fenugreek seed. If you're interested in this type of video, let's jump right into the video. So this is the fenugreek seed I'm going to be using, okay? So you can purchase your fenugreek seed on Amazon, eBay. You can also purchase it at your local store. Fenugreek seed is also known as methy seed. So I'm going to be using a 1/4 cup of fenugreek seed, and this is the clove I'm using. The clove that I'm using is organic cloves. Okay, you can purchase it from Amazon, eBay, or you can also purchase it from your local store as well. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of cloves. Now I'm going to go ahead and add water to my bowl to wash both ingredients, which are cloves and fenugreek seed. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. After done washing, I'm going to go ahead and add the clove and fenugreek seed into the pan. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end. Now I'm going to go ahead and add water to the pan. Then I'm going to allow it to boil on a low heat until the fenugreek is soft and mushy. So tell me where we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? Make sure you stir the ingredients occasionally so that the fenugreek will not stick to the pan. So I usually like to cook it until the fenugreeks are soft enough for me to crush them with my hands so that it's easy for me to blend. Once the cloves and fenugreeks are soft enough, I'm going to go ahead and off the stove and allow it to cool down. So this is how it looks like after cooling down. After 30 minutes of cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my blender.
You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered.
Make sure to add it with the water you use in cooking the cloves and the fenugreek seed, because we need all the goodness from the cloves water and the fenugreek water. Make sure you blend it until it's really smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and add water because fenugreek can get really thick, so make sure you add enough water to the blender. If you don't add enough water, it will be very difficult for you to strain out during the next process. Once I'm done blending both cloves and fenugreek seed, I'm going to go ahead and strain it because I don't want any residue in my hair. I'm going to be using my wig cap to strain it. So you can use anything you have to strain it. I'm not going to lie, this process can be very difficult due to the thickness of fenugreek seed. This is the reason why I said you should add enough water, so when straining it out, it won't be difficult for you to strain out. So this is how it looks after straining it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and add olive oil. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm alive. I'm also going to add 4 tablespoons of honey. Then I'm going to mix well together. This hair mask is so amazing and powerful. It's so rich and beneficial for your hair.
Are you getting bitter? Don't you come around no more, baby, no more. Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free.
Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply it to the hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and section the hair into 4 plates for easy application.
Enough of you. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate the hair with the clove water. So if you don't have clove water, you can just use plain water. That should be fine. I really don't like working on a dry hair, so that's the reason why I'm going in with my clove water. You can also check out my channel to see how I made this clove water. I'm going to leave the link in the description box just in case you guys are interested in how I made this clove water. Clove water is also amazing benefit for our hair. It reduces hair fall. It also nourishes the hair and the scalp.
Left of us, you don't think things through. No, I know you only photographs.
After applying the clove water, I'm going to go ahead and apply the clove and fenugreek hair mask. I'm going to apply the hair mask to the hair as well as the scalp because cloves and fenugreek seed are very beneficial for the scalp as well. As well as this, I'm also very generous when it comes to applying the mask to the hair, so I tend to put a lot, so make sure you apply enough to the hair. And when I'm done applying the hair mask to a section of the hair, I twist the hair back and move on to the next section. Fenugreek seeds are very rich in folic acid, vitamin A and C. It also contains minerals such as potassium, iron, which are very important elements for hair growth. Fenugreek seeds also have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are beneficial for hair fall, dandruff, as well as other scalp issues like dryness of the hair, hair thinning, and baldness. Fenugreek also adds volume to the hair. It also nourishes the hair and strengthens the hair root at the same time. And the benefit of cloves. Cloves help to promote hair growth. It fights against scalp irritation. It reduces dandruff. It also helps to prevent premature graying. So just work everything into the hair and massage. And as I said before, I like to be generous when applying the hair mask, both to the hair and the scalp. So don't forget to massage the scalp, as massaging the scalp promotes hair growth. So guys, if you're still watching and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. In this channel, we do a lot of DIY that can help you to grow your hair. I have different videos on my channel that will benefit every single one. If you're struggling from thin hair, stubborn hair growth, hair shedding, hair loss, hair fall, breakage, name it all, I have it on my channel. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Promise you will love this channel. Let me just take a moment and welcome you guys to the family. And also please don't forget to put on your post notification so you don't miss my future upload. This hair mask is very moisturizing. It softens the hair and it defines the curls as well. It's also amazing for detangling your hair. Fenugreek seed is very slippery. It has a slime to it. So that's the reason why it's amazing for detangling hair. Once I'm done applying the hair mask, I'm going to cover the hair with a shower cap and I'm going to allow it to sit for 45 minutes before shampoo and condition. When shampooing the hair, make sure you use less shampoo and more conditioner, because shampoo tend to strip our natural oil from our hair, so you don't want it to strip your natural oil from your hair. You can use this cloves and fenugreek seed hair mask twice a month. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Before leaving, there is a video on your screen. Just click it. I promise you will love it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.